The state Supreme Court today struck down the current map of congressional districts in Pennsylvania. The court says that current district lines clearly violate the state's constitution.
So what exactly does this mean for this year's congressional elections? Political editor John Delano has some answers.
In a very short two-page opinion, the state Supreme Court struck down the current configuration of the state's 18 congressional districts as, quote, clearly, plainly, and palpably in violation of the state constitution. Democrats and some academic scholars have argued for years that the Republican-drawn districts are an example of extreme partisan line-making. That's because the districts have elected 13 Republicans out of the 18, even though Democrats outnumber Republicans in the Commonwealth.
Districts need to be drawn that are compact and contiguous, and not drawn to benefit one political party over the other. And when they do that, it ultimately undermines our democracy.
Under the court order, the Republican-controlled state legislature has until February 9th to submit new district lines that don't discriminate on the basis of party registration and are compact and contiguous and do not divide counties or municipalities unless necessary to make districts of equal population. Governor Wolf, a Democrat, hailed the decision, saying, quote, I strongly believe that gerrymandering is wrong and consistently have stated that the current maps are unfair to Pennsylvania. But Senate Republican Majority Leader Jake Corman called the court decision a, quote, partisan action showing a distinct lack of respect for the Constitution and the legislative process. The court order could impact this area big time, where 4 of the 5 local congressional districts were drawn to elect Republicans. Attorney General Josh Shapiro hopes state lawmakers can design a nonpartisan map.
I would hope that the legislature would come together, would do this work, and would draw districts that are compact, contiguous, and comport with the rule of law.
Now, if the legislature cannot come up with a compromise map, the court said it would impose its own map in time for this year's congressional elections. One exception, the March 13th special election between Republican Rick Saccone and Democrat Connor Lamb will go on in the current district. Some Republican leaders today said they would appeal to the U.S. Supreme Court, but it's not clear on what basis. Senate Democratic leader Jay Costa called on legislative leaders to meet quickly and promised to submit his own map before the end of the week. Julie?